Your kitchen can be a 5-star classroom. No commute, no stress flow. Highlight convenience. Show cost savings. Feature global chefs. Emphasize private and safe learning. Mention smart tools for fast progress. End with try it today and start cooking like a pro. Want to cook like a pro without leaving your home? Flow. Present a relatable problem like a busy schedule. Introduce online workshops. Stress flexibility and comfort. Showcase expert chefs anywhere. Include adaptive learning. End with sign up now and transform your kitchen skills. Stop paying $300 for classes. Learn smarter, faster, from home. Flow. Focus on cost benefits. Highlight convenience and comfort. Feature global experts. Normalize making mistakes. Show personalized learning. End with join an online class today and start learning instantly. Shy in a cooking class. Your kitchen is your safe space. Flow. Start with empathy. Show the online solution. Emphasize convenience and flexibility. Feature global chefs. Highlight personalized smart learning. End with learn at your own pace and build confidence in the kitchen. Cooking workshops aren't just classes, they're career boosters. Flow. Show transformation. Highlight flexible online learning. Feature expert guidance. Emphasize cost-friendly options. Showcase personalized learning. End with start your cooking journey today and unlock your full potential.